Hello. Welcome to our next chapter, that is cash loan, deposits and advances. So first of all, we have limited four sections in this chapter. First is the section 296 SS. Just a second, let me change the pen color. First is the section 269 SS, that is mode of accepting loan, deposit or advance. So the income tax department does not want you dealing in cash. So therefore they've put some limits, they've put some penalties if you enter into cash. So if more than 20,000, if an amount more than 20,000, if you have to receive any amount which is more than 20,000, you can accept it only through an account pay check, demand draft, online transfer or any electronic mode. That means if you have received an amount more than 20,000 by cash, we will be levying some penalty on you. So section 271D talks about the penalty. So 269 SS is the mode of accepting loan, but 271D is the penalty section. So 271D says penalty is 100% of the principal amount. For example, if you took a loan in cash, say for example 50,000, the penalty in such a case, say for example on 1st April 2021, 10,000 rupees cash, and on 1st May 2021 you took 15,000 electronic. There will not be any penalty, because when you exceeded 20,000, that time the mode of payment was electronic, therefore there will not be any penalty. However, for if you reverse this, that is on 1st April 21 you took 10,000 in electronic form, and then you took 15,000 in cash. So even though this 15,000 is within the limit of 20,000, we will be calculating 20,000 on an overall basis. Therefore, this becomes 25,000. Understood? So since it becomes 25,000, that is more than 20,000. Now we will be checking that, boss, did you take it in cash or you took it in electronic? So since you took it in cash, you will be levied a penalty of 15,000 because you took 15,000 rupees in cash. So I hope you understand, even though the transactions are same, just that the dates have been reversed. First you took cash, then you took electronic, and over here first you took electronic and then you took cash. So that will be your penalty under section 271D. You have to remember the section numbers 269 SS and 271D. Okay, next is mode of undertaking transaction. Mode of undertaking transaction. So if an amount is more than 2 lakh, if it is equal to or more than 2 lakh, receive only through account pay check, DD, online transfer or electronic mode, because they do not want you to deal in cash. From a single person in a day or a single transaction, that means bill splitting is not allowed. You cannot do one transaction. Say for example, if it is for 20 lakh, so you cannot make 20 bills for 1 lakh. It will still be treated as one transaction only. So single person in a day, unless withdrawn from bank or ATM, there will again be penalty of 100%. That amount will be penalty if you have done it in cash. This section is 271 DA. Okay. Next is your section 269T, that is repayment of loan, deposit or advance. 269 SS was accepting loan or advance. 269T is repayment of loan, deposit or advance. So if it is greater than 20,000, if the amount that you're repaying, if it is equal to or greater than 20,000, repay only through account pay check, DD, online transfer or electronic mode. That means they should not be in cash. Loan or deposit with interest or any advance in relation to an immovable property. So either you are repaying your principal plus your interest, or you are giving an advance for a property, that should be done in an electronic mode. If you get caught dealing it in cash, 100% on the principal amount, that means on interest, there will be no penalty, only on the principal amount, that is under section 271E. So 269T is repayment and 271E is the penalty. Okay, so over here we did 271D, then we did 271DA. Now we did 271E. And last section of this chapter is section 269SU. 269SU talks acceptance of payment through prescribed electronic modes. So any person carrying on business shall provide facility for accepting payments through electronic mode if its turnover is greater than 50 crores in the immediate preceding previous year. So if his turnover in the preceding previous year is more than 50 crores, he has to give people an option to pay through electronic mode. If not, there will be a penalty under section 271DB of 5,000 rupees per day. Okay, so we did with sections we did section 271D penalty, we did 271DA, then we did 271E, and then we did 271DB, that is 5,000 per day. And with this we are done with the chapter, very small chapter. And I'll see you in the next one, that is taxation of ESOPs.